Hello, friends. Today, we're going to read this really cool book called Above and Below by Ashley Chase, illustrated by George Ehrlich. All right, let's get it started. Above and below the ground. All around us, plants and animals are busy getting what they need to live and grow. They are busy above the ground where we can see them. They are busy below the ground where we cannot see them. What are plants and animals doing to get what they need? What's happening above the ground? What's happening below the ground? Above the ground, sunlight is shining on the leaves of a dandelion plant. The leaves are catching the sunlight. Plants have leaves to get the light they need to live and grow. Below the ground, the dandelion roots are getting water from the soil. The roots grow deep down to reach the water. Plants have roots to get the water they need to live and grow. Animals above and below. Above the ground, a cow is eating the leaves of grass plants. Animals need food to live and grow. Lots of animals get their food from plants. These animals eat leaves and other parts of plants to get the food they need. Below the ground, a worm is digging a hole to find food. A fox is sleeping, safe in its den. The fox made its den by digging a hole. Many animals dig holes to stay safe below the ground. Above the ground, plants are using their leaves to get light. Beetles are eating dead leaves that fell from the tree. Below the ground, plants are getting water with their roots. Ants are carrying seeds from plants to their holes underground. The ants eat the seeds. A mole is digging a hole below the ground. The mole is looking for worms to eat. Some animals eat other animals instead of plants. What are plants and animals doing above the ground? What are plants and animals doing below the ground? Now, this, friends, is a very cool illustration. Above the ground, we see the rabbit friend eating grass. And below the ground, we see the worms digging deep, just like the roots from the tree are going nice and deep into the ground to find that water. Thinking above and below. When you think about plants and animals, remember to think above and below the ground. Everywhere you look, plants and animals are busy getting what they need. Now, we're going to look at the glossary, okay? The first word is animal, a living thing such as an ant, a cat, a clam, or a bird that needs to eat. Then we have the word grow. That means to get bigger or get new parts. Now we have the leaves. This is the flat green plant parts that catch the light. Underneath the leaves, we have the plant, a green living thing such as a tree, a cactus, or a piece of grass that needs sunlight. Underneath that, we have the word root, the underground plant parts that take in the water. Then we have the seed, a young plant that has not started to grow. And then our last word, soil, a mixture of rocks, water, air, parts of dead organisms, and tiny living organisms. All right, friends. Thank you for reading this super cool, awesome book. Remember, you can always go back into the video, pause at any point, or you can even try and put me on mute and read it yourself. All right, friends. I'll see you guys later. See you later. Bye.